Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video we are going to discuss about BR tool. That what are the BR tool and what are the BR tool functions and what is the usage of BR tools. So let's see. So here, after logging with your Aura SID or Oracle user, execute the command brtools, and here you are able to see that these are the main menu of brtools. Here first one is instance management, space management, segment management, backup and database copy, restore and recovery, check and verification, database statistics, additional functions, and last one is exit program. So we are going to discuss about these menu and what are their usage. So prior to that, BR tool package is BR tool is basically a package which contains multiple functions like brspace, brbackup, brarchive, brrestore, brrecover, brconnect. These are mainly the main functions of BR tools. So here let's discuss about these menu. So first one is instance management. Type 1 here and hit enter, and here you are able to see that we have multiple options here like startup database, shutdown database, alter database instance, alter database parameter, recreate database, manage online, redo log, and data encryption, and these are the mainly functions. Let's perform shut down our database. So here type 2, as our database is right now in running mode, so we are going to shut it down. So here it will ask for more options here. So here nothing we have to provide, so just type C for continue, hit enter, again type C for the confirmation and hit enter. And here it is asking for that database close mode is immediate. If you want to change it, you can change it, and force instance shutdown is no, and SQL plus command is shutdown immediate. So basically it is going to use the command shutdown immediate. So let's type the C for continue, hit enter. So here it is saying that SAP system is running on SAP user is connected to database instance ID. Please shut down SAP system first or use the force option. So here it is saying that our SAP application which is connected to our database is running, and first we have to shut down our SAP application, otherwise we have to use the option force. So here we are going to go back here. Again let's type the S here for the stop. Yes, hit enter, again type S for stop, and again type yes. And now we are exited from BR tool. First of all, let's shut down our application. Here you are able to see that our database is running. So let's wait for the applications to stop. Okay, so our application is stopped. So let's go back to the Oracle user. And now again type brtools and go to the instance management. Then here we are going to shut down our database. Type 2, hit enter, again type C for continue, again type C for continue, again type C and hit enter, type C to continue. And here now it is saying that database instance ID is started and open, and ID will be shut down now in mode immediate. Again type C, and now it is start shutting down our database. Okay, so our database shutdown is successful. Here you can check that our shutdown of database instance ID is successful. So type C to continue, again type C to continue, and now we are going to start our database. So type 1 here, and here you are able to see that this is the plus mark, that this particular function we have used earlier, so that's why it is showing plus sign here. So type 1 to start the database, again type C, again type C, and now again type C to continue, and now it starting our database ID. And after the starting of our database ID, our database is in open mode. Here you can check that instance startup to state is open. Okay, here you can check the start and open of database instance ID is successful. Type C to continue, again type C, and now we are back to our this particular menu. Let's go back to the main menu by typing the B here and hit enter, and now we are into our main menu. So here we have discussed about instance management, so let's go to the space management. Type 2 here, and here we are able to see that we have multiple options. These options are mainly to extend our table space, to create our table space, and drop or alter our table spaces and data files. So let's type 1 here to extend a table space. Type C for the continue. Here you can check that this is our brspace profile. This is the profile, and this is the brspace command line command. So type C, again type C here, and here it's shown us that these are the table spaces we have, and these are the files on them, and it is the total use of our table spaces, and this is the max size in KB, and this is the free size. So here you are able to see that we have a table space with name system that is of 98.48% is used. So let's extend it. For that, type 7. This is the position. So here we have typed the 7 here, the position number, and hit enter, and here it will show us that last added file name is this, and new file to be added is this. If you are going to use a new particular mount point to add a table space, then what you have to do is you have to type 3 here and just hit enter. On that case, it will ask for the new path, so we have to define that new path. But prior to that, please check that your path is correct, and your user have the permission to write on that particular mount point. So here, if you want to change the size of your table space, you can change it from here by typing the 5. Let's type the 5 here, and here we are giving it 1000 MB. Earlier it is 570, and hit enter, and now you are able to check that it is 1000. Earlier it is 570, and this is the command. Basically we can use the command also. Alter table space system add data file this, size is this, auto extend is off. Okay, here auto extend is on, max 20 MB, max size is this. So type C here, type yes. Here it is asking that this is an optional action, do you want to execute it now? That what is the action here? Next data file can be specified now. If you want to specify the new data file, then you have to type yes or Y here, otherwise type no. I am here typing N and press enter, and here you are able to see that directory is created, and now it is extending the table space. Type C again, type C, type 1 here, and type C, type C again, and here you are able to see that now our system table space is 35.82% used. So by this way you are able to extend the table space through BR tool. So let's go back to our main menu. So here we have discussed about space management. The next third part is segment management. So type 3 here. In this we have option of reorganize table, rebuild indexes, export tables, import tables, alter indexes. So this is basically to alter or rebuild our indexes and tables. So you can understand it, the uses of this, so I am skipping it. The next part is backup. So type 4 here. So here we have multiple options like database backup, archive log backup, database copy, non-database backup, backup of database disk backup, verification of database backup, verification of archive log, and some additional functions. So here I am going to use the first option, that is database backup. So type 1 here, and this is our profile here, and this is the device type here, that is disk. If you want to change it, you just have to type 2 here, and then it will show us the option. You have to choose one of them. So here the backup type is online. If you want to change it to offline, then you have to type 6 here and press enter like this, and then you have to specify that it is going to be online or offline. So here I am using online, and files for backup is all. So let's press C here, again press C, and this is the command. Press C here, and it will start taking our database backup, and our database backup is going to the SAP backup here. You can check it, and here it is showing us the summary, and that files will not be compressed, and backup type is online, and backup device type is disk, and this is the path where our database backup will be saved. So press C here and it start taking our database backup. So let's wait for it. I will fast forward video here. Here it is showing, you can check here that percentage done is 5.32 and estimated end time is this. Okay friends, so as you are able to see that our backup is completed successfully and it will take approximate 8 minutes and 50 seconds. And let's press C for the continue. And here we are back to our main menu. So by this way we can take the backup of our DB. So I'm going to show you one more option. Let me show you. Let's take a duplicate session here. Let's switch to the user root Oracle. So here I'm using the Oracle 12c. So here we have SAP Prof directory. Otherwise it should be in dbase directory. So do the LL here. And here you are able to see that we have a file name initid.sap. So this is the profile file which is being used by our BR tool. You have already seen that. So let's open it in the editor. Hit enter. So here you are able to see that our backup device type is disk. If you want to change it, you just have to go to the insert mode and here you can check that we have multiple options. One of them is backup mode, that is all. You can change it from all to all data, full, incremental. Restore mode is also all. Backup type is online. You can change it to offline force. Backup device type is disk. You can change it to tape, pipe, disk copy, disk standby, whatever you want to use. Or if you are going to use the UTL file, then you have to define the UTL file here. This is the, if you are going to use any third-party tool here, then you have to define the UTL file. This is our backup root directory and this is our stage root directory. Compress is no. If you want to take it with compression, you can change it here. So these are the mainly basic function which we have to change if you want to change any setting during our when we are taking the database backup and we have to change from tape to disk, you can change it into this file also. This is the path. Let me show you once again. Oracle SID SAP Prof. If you are using earlier version of Oracle, then it should be in DBS directory. So let's back to our main system. Type B here, and this is the restore and recovery. Here we are using this particular option for the complete database recovery, point and time recovery, whole database reset, and disaster recovery, and many other things. But here I cannot show you, so let's go back. Sixth one is check and verification. So here, if you want to check your database system, then you can check it from here by going into the database system check, that is one, and type here, type C, again type C for the continue, and type C for the continue. So now let's start checking our database system. It is going to take some time. Okay, that is function ID this, and here you can check that number of active and inactive check condition for database is, these are the condition. Press C here, and now it start checking. Here you can see that warning or error occurred, or you can continue to ignore them or go back to repeat the last action. Check that brconnect completed successfully with warnings. So if you want to ignore them, you can ignore them. Otherwise you have to check that why this warning happens. So let's type C here. Now go back to the main menu, and here the seventh option is database statistics, and if you want to update the database statistics, then you have to use the option 1 here. Hit enter, and here table for update is all. So let's type C to continue, again type C to continue, again C for the continue, and here it will check the schema owner found in our database, and it will show us that number of indexes in the schema is this, and number of table is this, and number of table function in schema owner is this. It will show us all the details here, and if we type C here, it will start updating our statistics. So let's wait guys, it will take few minutes here I think. Okay, here you can check that our update statistics is completed successfully. So type C to continue. Now type B. Here we have more options like collect missing statistics, delete harmful, and manage. These are the main options. You can check them. Go back, and now go to the additional functions. Here you can check show profiles and logs, clean up DBA logs and tables, adapt next extend, change password of database user, create change synonyms for DB tables. These are the main function in our additional functions menu. So basically these are the function in our BRtools through which we can manage our database of SAP. I think I have covered most of the part. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.